Hello everyone. In this video, let's understand how to add funds through UPI and net banking from all Alice Blue products. The video is divided in two parts. First, we will learn how to access the payment gateway page from all products, that is website, Ant Web, the web trading platform, Bot, the new back office, Ant Desk, the desktop trading app, and finally Ant Mobi, the mobile trading app. And in the second part of the video, we will learn how to add funds through UPI and net banking from payment gateway page. So let's get started. First, for the website, visit aliceblueonline.com and click on funds. Enter your login credentials. Click on the sign in. Give your 2FA question answers and click on submit. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page, which we will cover in the second part. Now let's cover the Ant Web. So again, visit to the website aliceblueonline.com and click on the online trading. Enter your login credentials here. Click on the secure sign in. Give 2FA question answers and click on the submit. Once you logged in, click on the funds. Then pay in. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page. So next, let's cover the bot. Again, visit our website aliceblueonline.com and click on the bot. Then in the login, enter your credentials. Click on the sign in. Give 2FA question answers. Click on the submit. Once logged in, click on the funds pay in. Here you can find in the left hand side, click on the funds pay in. Now you can click on add funds. Now re-log in using your credentials. Click on the submit. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page. So this is the payment gateway page of bot. Next, let's see the Ant Desk. Click on the Ant Desk icon. Log in with your credentials. Click on OK. This is the Ant Desk dashboard. Here you can click on Fund and then Pay in. You will be redirected to the payment gateway. Please note, Ant Desk does not support UPI. Fund transfer via net banking is only allowed. So the last product is Ant Mobi. This is the Ant Mobi mobile application. Here you can log in with your login credentials. After logging in, you can click on the menu. Here you can find the fund. Click on funds and now click on pay in. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page. With this we have learned how to access payment gateway page from all products. Now let's start part 2 of this video where we will learn how to add funds through UPI and net banking from payment gateway page. Now let's start part 2 of this video where we will learn how to add funds through UPI. So let's see first UPI. This is the payment gateway page. Enter your amount which you want to add. The minimum amount you have to add is ₹50 and there is no maximum limit. Next, select the payment mode as UPI, which is free. There is no transaction charges. And then you have to enter your UPI ID. You can get your UPI ID from your PhonePe or Google Pay in the mobile app. So let's see in the mobile how to take UPI ID from PhonePe. To get your UPI ID from your PhonePe mobile app, you have to open your PhonePe mobile app through mobile. So just click on the PhonePe and enter your password and open your app. You can click on here in the top in your profile. Now here you can see the second option, My BHIM UPI ID. You can just click on it. Here you can get your UPI address. So note down your UPI ID from here. Once you get UPI ID from your PhonePe, you can enter your UPI ID here. And select your bank. Now click on Continue. A payment message from your UPI app will pop up on your mobile. Select it and add fund. After payment successful, you will be getting a message in your screen. Next, let's cover how to add funds via net banking. Again, enter the amount. Select the payment mode as net banking. The charges to transfer via this is ₹10 plus GST. So that is a total of 11 rupees and 80 paisa. Next, choose your bank and click on the continue. You will be redirected to the specific bank net banking page. Log in and add funds. With this now, we have learned how to add funds by both UPI and net banking. Also note that the funds added by this method are available for trading within 5 minutes. To immediately verify if funds are added, please check the ledger report in bot. Let me show you how it's done. Visit our Allies Blue online website and click on the bot. Now click on login. Enter your credentials. Click on submit. So this is the dashboard of bot back office transformation, and here in the left hand side you can see funds. Click on the funds and you will find the ledger here. Click on the ledger. Here you can find your all transaction details. Hope you understand how to transfer fund through UPI and net banking using payment gateway page. So thank you for watching this video.